Oh, hey there. Are you here on this video because you've got a Buick Encore GX and you're wondering, how do you get that rear wiper blade off of there? Like, I really got to change it because my wife's getting really angry. Well, you're in the right place because I'm going to show you how to do that in about 2 seconds. Watch this. So let me get rid of some of the anxiety you're probably feeling right now. Is like, how do you get in here? Very simple. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be sticking our 2 fingers underneath the back cover. This cover here is going to come off. So we're going to be lifting the rear cover, pulling up. Now when that part disengages, don't be prying up on it. You're going to lift and you're going to push it forward like so and slide it right off, because there's this clip right here. You break that, you got to buy it. It's expensive, so yeah. So now that we got all this access to this blade, how do you get this off of here? Well, it's super simple. Below the blade here, there's a little tiny little nub or little notch. You're going to push that in upwards towards the top, and you're going to push the arm back, or not the arm, sorry, the blade. You're going to push the blade back very gently, holding the arm so it doesn't crash up against the glass. And you're going to work your way through like this, so until it comes off. And you're going to carefully lower this arm down so you don't break the glass, right? So there it is. It's a hook style. Very simple. Let's get rid of this one. So like you might be thinking, the opposite is true for installing it. We're going to be looking at how it's indexed here. The hook's going to go this way. We're going to work it in the same way that we took it off, sliding it forward until you hear that click. Do you hear that click? Now our arm is on. Keep calling it an arm, it's a blade. Oh, don't forget our cover. So again, this little piece right here, this is indexed, slides into this little groove right here. So we're going to bring the cover over, slide it on, push it back. And once that's back, we're going to push down and snap that back into place. And you got a new wiper and your wife is happy. So here's me hoping that this was really helpful. So go ahead and give the video a like to help other people find this video who are struggling with the rear wiper blade on their Encore GX, because as you can see, it's pretty simple now, right? Super easy. Anybody can do it. Anybody. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.